Opening hook, when the skies rain death, who will protect the cities below? In an age of hypersonic missiles and drone warfare, the answer is not a plane or a pilot but a shield, a technological marvel standing between devastation and defense. This is the story of the Patriot Missile Defense System, America's Iron Guardian in the sky. Introduction: developed during the Cold War and upgraded for modern threats, the Patriot Missile Defense System has become a household name in military defense. It is the system responsible for intercepting ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and even drones, saving countless lives from aerial terror. From the deserts of Iraq to the war-torn skies of Ukraine, the Patriot is not just a machine, it's a symbol of protection. History and origin: the Patriot program began in the 1970s by Raytheon, originally designed as an anti-aircraft system, but as missile threats evolved, so did the Patriot. First combat use: Gulf War 1991, famous for intercepting Scud missiles from Iraq, evolved into a ballistic missile defense platform. Each decade brought upgrades, making the Patriot faster, smarter, and deadlier. Technical specifications: launcher type, mobile truck-mounted missiles, PAC-2, PAC-3 GMT speed, up to Mach 5 range, aircraft, ~160 km ballistic missiles, ~60 km radar system, and /MPQ-65 phase, Durée radar interception altitude, up to 24 km. The system includes radar set for tracking engagement, control station, launchers with multiple canisters, electric power unit, and generator. How it works: detection. The radar scans the sky for threats. Tracking: once detected, it tracks missile trajectories in real time. Decision: the Fire Control Center calculates interception path. Launch: a missile is fired to meet the incoming threat midair. Kill: using proximity explosion or kinetic hit to kill impact, the Patriot destroys the target. The whole process happens in seconds, sometimes automatically. Global users and deployments over a dozen nations rely on the Patriot, including United States, Germany, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Israel, South Korea, Poland, Ukraine. It's deployed at key strategic zones, U.S. bases abroad, and NATO defense lines. Advanced capabilities: the latest version, Patriot PAC-3, uses hit-to-kill technology. This allows the missile to physically collide with incoming threats instead of just exploding near them. Integrated with other systems like THAAD Aegis Sentinel radar, it forms part of the U.S. multi-layered missile defense shield. Real combat use: the Patriot has seen action in Gulf War 1991, Iraq War 2003, Israel intercepting missiles from Gaza, Ukraine 2023-24, intercepting Russian hypersonic missiles like Kinjal. Its ability to adapt in real-time combat has earned it the trust of militaries across the globe. Challenges and criticism: no system is perfect. Earlier versions had lower success rates, high cost per missile, $3-5 million, each, limited against swarm drone attacks, but continuous upgrades and combat testing have made it one of the most successful air defense systems ever built. Future of Patriot: with threats like hypersonic missiles, stealth drones, electronic warfare, the Patriot is evolving once again. PAC-3 MSE missile segment enhancement brings better range, faster speeds, and next-gen sensors. Raytheon and Lockheed Martin continue to push boundaries, ensuring the Patriot remains relevant for decades to come. Conclusion: in the skies above, the Patriot stands watch, fast, silent, and lethal. Not to conquer, but to protect. In a world of chaos and conflict, it offers one thing: certainty. The certainty that someone somewhere is watching the sky, so others can live in peace.